Welcome parents and kids, welcome to Kids Fun Corner. I hope you all are fit and fine. So today's video is all about learn spelling or make spelling with phonic sound. So parents, I want to mention here one thing. Please make sure your child has a basic idea about the phonic sound of letters, because without knowing the phonic sound, they will not be able to make spelling by their own. So let's start the video. What is the phonic sound of A?
A.
What is the phonic sound of B?
Ba.
What is the phonic sound of C?
Ka.
What is the phonic sound of D?
Da.
What is the phonic sound of E?
E.
What is the phonic sound of F?
Fa.
What is the phonic sound of G?
Ga.
What is the phonic sound of H?
Ha.
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 What is the phonic sound of I?
A.
I?
E.
Yes. What is the phonic sound of J?
Ja.
What is the phonic sound of K?
Ka.
What is the phonic sound of L?
La.
What is the phonic sound of M?
Ma.
What is the phonic sound of N?
Na.
What is the phonic sound of O?
U.
What is the phonic sound of P?
Pa.
What is the phonic sound of Q?
Tiu.
Qua. Qua.
Qua.
Qua.
Qua.
What is the phonic sound of R?
Ra.
R.
R.
What is the phonic sound of S?
Sha.
Yes. What is the phonic sound of T?
Ta.
What is the phonic sound of U?
A.
U.
U.
A.
Ua.
Umbrella. A.
A.
What is the phonic sound of V?
Wa. Fa.
Yes. What is the phonic sound of W?
Wow.
Wa.
Wa. Wa.
Wa. What is the phonic sound of X?
Crash.
X. 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 What is the phonic sound of Y?
E.
No. Say properly.
E. Ya.
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 And what is the phonic sound of Z?
J.
Z.
Ja.
Z for what is the phonic sound of Z? Z.
Ja.
So, what is this?
Bat.
Say with me. Ba.
Ba.
E.
Ta.
Ta. Ba.
E.
E.
Ta.
Ta. That is bat. B. Ba. A. E.
Ta.
T. Ta. Bat.
Ba. E. Ta.
Ba. E. Ta. Bat.
E. Ta.
Now what is this?
Fox.
Fa.
A.
A. X. Fa. A. X. F.
F.
Fa. F. A. O.
O.
X. X.
X.
Fox. What is the picture?
Hen. Ha.
Ha.
He.
E.
Na.
Na.
Hen.
Ha
E.
means H.
Na.
E. E.
Na.
Na. N. Hen. Then what is the picture?
Cup.
Ka. A. Pa.
Ko. A. Pa.
Cup. Say again. Ka.
O.
A.
Pa.
Pa. Cup.
Cup.
C. U.
U.
P. Cup. Then what is the picture?
Car.
Ka.
E.
A.
Ra.
R.
R.
Ka.
E.
A.
R.
R.
R. Ra.
Car. C.
A. R.
Car. What is the picture?
Dog.
Da.
A.
A.
Go.
G. Da means D. A means O.
G.
G.
Go. Go.
G.
Ga.
What is
Ga.
the
Ga. Ga.
what is the phonic sound of G?
Ga.
G. Da. D.
Da.
O. G. Dog.
Dog.
Now what is the picture?
Cat.
Phonic sound
Ca, P,
and spelling.
CAP.
Okay. What is the picture?
Fox.
Phonic sound.
F,
X. A spelling. What is the spelling of fox?
FOX.
What is the picture?
Mat.
Phonic sound.
Ma, Ta.
And spelling.
Emetic.
Okay. What is the picture?
Pig.
Phonic sound.
Pa, Ga.
Pa. I. Ga.
Ga.
And what is the spelling?
PIC.
Pig. What is the picture?
Car.
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 Say it with phonic sound.
Ca, Ra.
Ka. Ra. Spelling.
CAT.
Car spelling? Not CAT. CAT to cat.
CAR.
Yes. What is the picture?
Bus.
Say it with phonic sound.
Sa.
S. Ba. A.
Sa.
S. And what is the spelling?
BUS.
What is the picture?
Sun.
Say it with phonic sound.
Sa. No.
Sa. A.
No.
Na. And spelling?
SUN.
What is the picture?
Mat.
Spelling?
MAP.
And say it with phonic sound.
Ma. Pa.
What is the picture?
Pin.
Say it with phonic sound.
Pa. Pa. Inna.
Pa. I.
Na.
Na. And spelling?
PIN.
Okay, very good. So if you like my video, then please do like, comment and share. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel for more and more upcoming fun learning videos. So all for today, see you in the next video. Till then, and take care.